Hey everyone, my name is Brian and I'm the 3D print creator. And you all have heard about it, I guess. YouTube is changing some things. And no, I'm not going to talk about it, but I am going to ask you for help. Because some creators, not me, some creators need your help. And I am here to ask you to help them. You can help them by just a few mouse clicks, and probably you are going to be enriched by quality content that you like. So I am going to help out a few creators I like just because of the new rules by YouTube. I'm going to show you in a very brief thing what is happening. YouTube is having problems with channels that are fake or that are just set up to create a lot of money and then disappear again. And so YouTube complies to new rules to better protect their creators. They want to make a difference between the real creators and the people that are just there to make money or to make fun out of other people or that kind of things. And thereby they can protect their creators better. Now there are two major rules that you have to comply to before you can get into the YouTube Partner Program. Rule number 1 is you have to have 1,000 subscribers. Rule number 2, you have to have 4,000 hours of watch time in the past year. So those are the two rules that you have to comply to get into this YouTube Partner Program. Now, why is this important? The people that are not going to comply to these rules, they probably earn somewhere between $2.50 to maybe $10 a month. Nothing more than this. And they will only get paid out after they made a $100 revenue, because YouTube doesn't pay you earlier than that you have reached that goal. Now, for some of those creators in the 3D printing world where we're in, they could really use this money because they can buy filament from it, or they can buy maybe a better camera and create better quality content from it. So the thing is that a whole lot of 3D print people in our community are already complying to these rules. I have a list of 300 people I'm subscribed to, and for me only 6 don't comply to the new rules. But I think they deserve to comply to the rules. And maybe in your lists there are also people that comply to those or not comply to those new rules that should comply to the rules. So there is a thing you can do to help them, and that is make sure to subscribe to them, because almost everyone in this 3D printing community complies to the 4,000 hours of watch time. This is no problem for the people that are really creating content that is interesting to watch. But as I can see on my channel, only 1/3 of the people that are watching my videos are really subscribed to my channel. And for me it doesn't matter, because I got way over the 1,000 subscribers. So for me it doesn't matter. I comply to all the new rules YouTube is setting up. But for my list of 6 creators, this is a problem, because they don't comply to the new rules and they have not enough people that are subscribed to them. And this is the only rule they're not complying to, and I'm asking you to help me, and I'm willing to help you. So 2 things I'm going to ask of you. The first thing is, go through the people that you are watching their content regularly and see if you're subscribed yourself to all those creators that you are already watching, because there is a big chance that you are watching creators regularly that you're not subscribed to, and please make sure you subscribe to them if they're under 1,000 subscribers. The second thing is, please make a note of that creator that has under 1,000 subscribers and link that in the descriptions or in the comments down below, because then my viewers or myself can subscribe to their channel, so we also can help them and I can help them, and this is how we can help each other. The second thing I'm asking you is to take a look at the 6 creators that I selected from the list of 300 people that I'm subscribed to. those 6 don't comply to the new rules. And I want to ask you to take a look at their channels. And if you like their content, then please make sure that you subscribe to them as well. Now, the first one is the 3D Printed Aspie. Great content about creating models. He makes great videos on how he creates things, and really worth to have more than 391 subscribers, because he really should comply to the new rules. I don't know if he is monetizing already his content, but he should comply to the rules that YouTube is now setting up. The second one is Kat. Catherine makes great reviews about printers. She makes jewelry on her printers. She does all kinds of great models that she prints, and she makes very, very nice videos about it. I really like this YouTube content creator, and well, she can really use your help, because she's only on 292 subscribers as of this moment. So she can really use some help from the community. Now, the third one is Derek Matthews. Derek Matthews is a content creator that is just starting to make his content and make his way to the 3D printing community. He has only 46 subscribers, but he makes great content. The quality of his camera is very poor. He films with a phone, and the quality is not the best. But the things he tells you, and how he does the things he does, and how he upgraded his printer, which was a very poor printer, DaVinci Pro printer, which was very poor, to a very good printer, and how he tells how he does that, and how he made his Hypercube printer, and how he tells about it. He really deserves more viewers, more people that are going to watch him, and maybe then he can step up to a better camera, maybe then he can step up to a better microphone, that kind of things. But I think it's about the quality of the content that people are bringing to YouTube, and not to the quality of the camera or the microphone. Now, the fourth is How I Do It. Also a creator that makes very nice things, that talks about his 3D printing things, about where 3D printing is going to, etc, etc. Does a lot of other things as well, but really a creator on YouTube that should be supported. And he is at 959 subscribers at this moment, so he could use some help. And all the people I mentioned, there is a link in the description down below where you can go to their channel and subscribe to them. Then the German printing nerd. He is only on 104 subscribers. He is really passionate about 3D printing. He is making a very big project, Johnny 5 project, and he tells about it, and he's really passionate about it. Also, here goes that the quality of his camera is not the best quality. The quality of his audio is not the best quality. But the things he is telling about, and the passion that he spreads on the internet for the way he does 3D printing, and the problems he counterfights, and where he has to fight up to, and how he does that. He's telling about it on his videos, and really, it's a nice guy to watch. So also take a look at his channel and see if you can help him reach 1,000 subscribers. And then the next one, I wish I was him sometimes. This guy, the 3-Dee Kid, he makes great content. He's a very young boy, and he makes content about his 3D printers, and he has a lot of them. I think about the same amount as I have. He does giveaways, he does comparisons, he does very great prints. Everything that I do on my channel, he does as well. Only his problem is at this moment that he only has 749 subscribers. So he needs 251 subscribers more. And well, I'm at more than 3,000 subscribers. My viewers, you guys can help this guy and make sure that he complies to the new YouTube rules and that he can grow with his channel. So this is what I am asking. Those were the 6 channels that I am asking for to take a look at. The links are in the description down below. Those 6 people that I am asking help for, They don't know it that I'm doing this. They will be surprised because, well, I didn't tell them that I'm going to ask your help. But I think they are great creators, and if you like my content, I think you like their content as well. So please take a look in the description down below. There are the 6 channels that you can follow to help my creators. Also, please post your creators that you think that should be helped. Post them in the comments down below. Then I can subscribe to their channel, and maybe my subscribers can also subscribe to their channels. So post them in the comments down below, and well, we can help each other. The 3D printing community is a very nice community with very nice people that help each other, and it's all about helping. This is the way how we can help each other, just by making a few clicks with our mouses. Thanks for watching, and I hope to see you next time. And if you're not subscribed to my channel, well, please also subscribe to my channel. See you later, guys. Bye bye.